thrifters, welcome back to my channel where I turn a second-hand finds into first-class fashion. Today I'm bringing you the ultimate thrift haul and I cannot wait to show you all the incredible treasures and brands I found. I am talking everything from vintage denim to quirky hand-painted coats and everything in between. We don't have a season in the reselling world, so don't mind if I show you a mix of different pieces even with the summer coming soon. But before we dive in, let me just say, if you are not into the thrill of the hunt, there is nothing quite like the rush you get when you stumble upon a hidden gem buried beneath a pile of discarded clothes or a random rack. And let me tell you, this haul is no exception. We're talking designer labels, unique vintage finds, and pieces that will make your heart skip a beat. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a thrift haul that will have you running to my Poshmark closet to shop or to your nearest thrift store if you enjoy the thrill of a good hunt, of course. Let's get started. My first find is this Prana wool and polyester blend, lightweight, more of a sporty type jacket. I picked this up because of the brand name and I know it will take some time to sell, but it is a good piece to have in your closet. This is the tag and it has a few beautiful details like the sleeve and a full zip with double closure. This next jacket I found, it's a gray loft leather jacket, more of a stylish piece with 3/4 sleeve and some stylish ruching at the chest here and at the back. It has a slight damage on the surface at the back here, the color damage, and at the shoulder, but it is a very good spring-summer piece and it can be fixed with a little bit of a color. Number 3 is a coat I strictly picked up for style and it is a knit surface coat. This is mohair. It is actually a very consistent piece and a beautiful, deep green. It is hand painted. And very unique. It has a little bit of a damage, but I can fix it. The fur is missing a little patch over here. It is a rather consistent piece and I did not find many like this on the internet. I found one similar on eBay, but that one sold for over $1,000, but it does not have these paintings on it. I will post this one on eBay because Poshmark has a 5-pound weight restriction and this is well over 5 pounds. So look how beautiful this is. End of the winter is the time to thrift for sweaters and coats because you will most likely find amazing quality pieces like cashmere, merino wool, and great brands like this sweater. It's called 360 sweater. This is the tag, 360 sweater, and it's made 100% out of cashmere. It has a beautiful shape, very unique. I believe this is shark bait, yes. Like I said, Poshmark does not have a season and you never know when someone will grab this because they love the brand or style or the fabric, and your only job is to share your closet and bring these pieces in front of the shoppers. Next up is a Madewell piece, very adorable and timeless. It has these beautiful tassels here. It is, I believe, one of the last season pieces, and I only pick up certain Madewell pieces, especially the dresses. The next piece I picked up is based on style only, and it's a real fur at front, and it is a reversible vest with animal print on the back and the front, and I believe this is custom made. I love pieces like this where they are unique and not to be found anywhere but your closet. This Everlane short sleeve alpaca blend sweater is a great essential and a neutral piece to have in your closet. The color is timeless and Everlane is a great brand to pick up wherever you find it. This is how it looks like. The next piece is a total surprise for me. It is the first time I found this brand and it retails for insane amount of money. The brand is called Rick Owens, and it's just a simple top retails for $275. This is in excellent condition, and I am happy to try a new and exciting brand in my closet. Let me show you. This is how the tag looks like, and it says made in Italy. It does not have a tag up here, just two little lines, but it is just a plain top. This adorable piece is also a designer piece. It is called Manouche, and I love the bohemian vibes. It has the gauzy cotton texture, fully lined, a beautiful embroidery, and a short crochet sleeves that are a little bit see-through, and it has a little spot, but I can get that out, of course. I knew about this brand, but the first time I'm finding it in the thrift store. This is how the tag looks like. It is a size small if anyone is interested, and it's also fully lined. Very excited about this piece, and finally found one in the wild. This next item is a designer item as well by Derek Lam, 10 Crosby Street. This is how the tag looks like. It seems to be new without tags. Beautiful white poplin, 100% cotton top that can be worn almost in any occasion. It's more like a tunic top. Okay, so let's continue with the tops. I picked up this sweet crop top that's sold at Revolve. The tag looks like this. It's called SNDYS Sundays. I believe it's currently sold out on the website, which is really good when you have something like that in your closet. It is great for the upcoming summer. Next one I researched is called Lisa Badai, and it comes up as vintage. What's interesting about this slinky top, it's a silk blend with metal. Silk with metal. This is really interesting. It is a little bit see-through, but it is a good essential piece to have in your wardrobe. Another good designer piece is this Loro Piana and Brooks Brothers denim pant, which is lightweight. It has the zipper on the side, is their sport line, and it is just a tapered pant. It's fabrics made in Italy, 100% cotton by Loro Piana for Brooks Brothers. This is a very good piece to have. It's excellent quality. Next up is Lane Bryant, a sporty line. It's called Levy, and it is new with tags. That's why I picked it up. The retail is $50 on this one. No, $60, sorry. It is fall leather motorcycle legging with tummy control. It is an amazing size, 26-28, which is really hard to find, and it looks and feels like quality. This next find I'm really excited about. It's called Rockies, and it's a vintage pair of jeans. This is how it looks like, and this is the front. So I know about this brand from my friend over at Wish Upon a Thrift on Poshmark. She is doing amazing thrift hauls, and I learn a lot from her of new brands, good pieces that sell really fast, and this is one of them. This is the Rockies vintage denim, and these are in excellent condition. I hope to sell them really fast. The comps look really good on these ones, so I'm really excited about this piece. Another great find is this Levi's signature sweatpant. It is a sweatpant. It really looks like a pair of jeans, and I had to look twice, but really cool and great quality. I think it's a small or medium. I am really excited for this pair of pants. It's like that French terry lining, very, very soft and good quality. So I learned about this brand from Mogi Beth. I was watching her thrift videos as well to learn about new brands. This is Skinny Fries, and it feels really great. It's a great quality. It's a released hem and button fly. closure, really good and soft, stretchy, and I'm really excited to try this new brand. And the most excited I am about these cool shoes. These are very popular right now. The comps are insane, anywhere between $80 and $150 depending on the condition. And this is Veja or Veja. And these are in really good condition. The only sign of wear is on the bottom, which I will clean them up. And it seems like the pictures have different laces. This is elastic laces with some type of a pulls. I don't know if they're original laces, but I will mention this in my description. I'm sure it's not a problem, but look how cool these are. These are size 10, by the way, if you're interested. Okay, next up is my bins haul. This is what I found. Only shoes. I went there for something else, but I only found shoes. This is my favorite pair that I found so far from the bins. It is a Stuart Weitzman pair of ankle boots, and it is a size 7.5 narrow. It closes with zipper and they're in excellent condition. It is a black suede leather. I'm very excited to post these in my closet. What I always pick up is hookah, and I found the second pair in 1 year. The first pair I found was red, and now I found these. I don't know what size they are. I don't see a size here, probably 7 or 8, but I'm very happy for this find. They're really light and they will sell fast. Picked up these cute Ariat boots for little girls. They're in good condition. The only sign of wear is on the bottoms, and the leather is a little scuffed, but that's not a problem. I will condition the leather and they will look like new. Another amazing find is this pair of Minnetonka knee highs, and it's like a cognac color suede leather. I don't think they've been worn. They're in excellent new condition. The laces are leather and you have the sweet fringes here, and I'm very sad because they're not size 7, so I can take them. My favorite one is this. This is a mini Juicy Couture velour bag that needs a little bit of cleaning and TLC, and if you find this anywhere, pick it up because the big ones especially, they go for hundreds of dollars. I don't know how much this will be. I did not research it, but I know it will bring me at least 100, 150, depending on what I can do to clean it up. But please pick it up. This is a definite Bolo. And I left this the last. It is an Ergo Baby. This is a baby harness. You just strap this to your chest and put the baby inside. These go for good money, so if you see something like this, pick it up. It's gonna bring you at least $50, $60 depending on the condition. Ergo Baby. I really enjoy bringing you these kinds of videos. My next haul will be a jeans and denim pieces only, and I am hoping to find new and exciting brands. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and like so YouTube knows it's relevant to you. I hope you learned about some new to you brands today, and next time you go thrifting to stock up your Poshmark closet, these names will be in the back of your mind and you won't need to spend too much time running comps in the middle of the aisle. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!